In this video, I will show you how to wrap text along a path using a custom shape. Open a new document in Adobe Photoshop CC. Select the Custom Shape tool from the Tools panel and choose Path from the Options bar. Click the Custom Shape arrow to choose a shape. To see all the custom shapes, click the menu picker and choose All, or pick a specific category and click OK. Click and drag to draw your shape, and then to add text, click the horizontal type tool and set the text options that you like from the options bar. You can also do this part later. Move the mouse pointer over the edge of the shape, and when the pointer changes to an I-beam with a wavy line, click on the spot where you want to start adding text. Type and the text will adhere to the path and wrap around the shape. To change the direction and position of the text, select the Path Selection tool from the Tools panel. Drag the mouse pointer over the text to move it along the path away from the end point. Drag the mouse pointer across the path to flip the text and reverse it. If you like this activity, go to TechnoKids.com to find more activities and lesson plans using Adobe Photoshop.